Welcome to Oceano Surf. Thanks for joining us on the beaches of Conil de la Frontera. Our adult surf courses are ideal for all experience levels. The beaches are perfect with a gradual transition and slow spilling waves, perfect for beginner surfing lessons. Blue skies, blue water, superb equipment with expert instruction. Your adult surf course is sure to be the highlight of your holidays. We can adapt our lessons for all skill levels. If you've never surfed before, or if maybe you're an intermediate surfer, whatever your level, we've got a course for you here in Conil. See you soon.